Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Meezan online banking account. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.meezanbank.com and press enter. You will be now directly lead to this kind of page, and at the top right, you can see the option login. While you click on that, two options will be presented, login or register. If you haven't registered for your account, then you need to click on this option. If not, then you can click on login. Now here you need to fill down your credential, that is your username and your password. After you are done entering this, here you can see this part where you need to enter the CAPTCHA provided. Likewise, you need to also select an security image. After you are done providing this part, all you need to do is click on login. And after that, you will be successfully logged in to your Meezan bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.